Hello guys, you are welcome on Flexion. Today in this lecture we will discuss Legendre differential equations. Firstly we move on our motivational thought, then we will discuss our topic. So our motivational thought is हर कोशिश में शायद सफलता नहीं मिल पाती, लेकिन हर सफलता का कारण कोशिश ही होती है. So our topic is Legendre differential equation. Standard form of this equation. Standard form is given here 1 minus x square into double derivative of y with respect to x minus of 2x into derivative of y with respect to x plus n into n plus 1 into y is equal to 0. This is standard form of Legendre differential equations. Now where n is positive integer, here n is positive integer, at x is equal to plus minus 1 is equal to our two regular singular point, and at x is equal to 0 are our ordinary point. So we know about singular point and ordinary point, we have to discuss in previous lecture. So Legendre functions of first kinds means solutions. Y is equal to 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n minus 1 over n factorial into this term is common all terms, so we take outside. So x power of x is n minus n into n minus 1 over 2n minus 1. Here power of 2 is 1 and power of x is n minus 2. In next term plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 over 2n minus 1 2n minus 3 into power of 2 is 1 and power of 2 is 2 into 4 and power of x is n minus 4. It is not visible, sorry for that. Up to, it is a series, we also discussed in previous lecture, so it is again continue. Pnx is equal to Legendre polynomials of order n. Now discuss Rodrigues formulas of Legendre equations. Pnx is equal to 1 upon power of 2 is n into n factorial derivative of n times derivative of function of x square minus 1 whole power n with respect to x. So we put n is equal to 0 in this equation, we get 1. When we put n is equal to 1 we get x. So put 1 2 3 4, we get these results. These results are very useful when we solve numerical problems. Property regarding of Legendre polynomials. The value of Legendre polynomials of order n at x is equal to 1 is equal to 1. Means Legendre polynomials of order n at x is equal to 1 is equal to 1. We also discuss when x is equal to 1. Sorry, in this case here n is equal to 1. In this property x is equal to 1, we get 1. Now Pn into x is equal to minus 1. So we get minus 1 power of n. Pnx is equal to even function when n is equal to even, and Pnx is odd function when n is equal to odd. Number of nodes is equal to n. Derivative of our Pnx, first derivative of our Pnx, then we put x is equal to when, we get this result 1 by 2 n into n plus 1. Now when we put x is equal to minus 1, then we get minus 1 power of n, 1 by 2 n into n plus 1. Every algebraic polynomials can be written as linear combination of Legendre polynomials. Means all algebraic polynomials can be written in Legendre polynomials. For example, a x cube plus b x square plus c x plus t is equal to written in Legendre polynomials summation n tends to 0 to 3 k n into p n x. It is Legendre combinations. So next, generating functions of Legendre polynomials. So generating function is also important for solving problem in competitive exam. So what is Legendre polynomials? It is given here 1 minus 2x z plus z square whole power minus 1 by 2 is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity in on Pnx into z power n. This is generating function. Now orthonormality of Legendre polynomials. It is given here integration limit minus 1 to 1 Pnx into Pmx into dx is equal to 2 upon 2n plus 1 delta m into n. It is Kronecker delta. Now shifting property used in these equations means Legendre differential equation. Then we get Pnx, it is for use shifting, is equal to root of 2n plus 1 divided by 2 into Pnx. Now orthonormality for shifting equations. Integrations up to minus 1 to 1 Pnx for shifting, Pmx for also shifting into dx is equal to only delta mn. So all point discussed in these lectures: firstly, standard form of equations, solutions, generating function, orthonormal, also discussed all point. So if you like this channel, you subscribe and share also and like also. So thanks for watching.